Tell me you do your own hair at home by yourself without telling me that you do your own hair. Welcome back to the channel. Today is Vlogmas day 19 and we are going to get into the easiest top knot bun that you can wear during this holiday Christmas season, because I know a lot of you are probably going to be on the couch. Now, I did a hairstyle like this not too long ago, Rapunzel. You guys already know, you've been following along, so I am still moving. And I am going to be packing up all of those hair accessories that you saw. Let's go ahead and get into this top knot bun. You're gonna take your hair from a standard ponytail to a high top knot bun. All you will need is 3 hair ties and pre-stretched braiding hair. I like to use the Expressions brand. This is what I use for Rapunzel. Exactly the same way that this is hanging here, what you're gonna want to do is use one of your hair ties and do the same exact thing. I don't recommend using this rubber band that is already on the install, because that can lead to breakage. So go ahead and take the piece off. Hold the hair like so. You're gonna push the hair tie right underneath, and then you are just going to push it right through. So now you have the same exact thing that was hanging on your pre-packaged braiding hair, but now you have a safer option to attach it to your hair. So you're gonna put your fingers through it just like so. You're gonna hold your ponytail. You're gonna pull your ponytail through. I'm gonna do this twice just to make sure that it's on there securely. We don't want anything falling off. And when you're hiding your hair, because my hair is cut in layers, so I have shorter pieces and longer pieces, so you want to make sure that the hair is covering all of your hair. And once you know the majority of your hair is covered inside of the braiding hair, you start twisting. And you should naturally feel the direction of where your hair wants to turn. So mine is naturally turning this way. So that is the direction that I will turn. Now, whatever direction yours turns, make sure you keep that same direction. And you just twist it all the way down. Slightly adjust it the way you want it to be. Keep twisting. Then just wrap it underneath. Get that scrunchie. Hold it. And just like that, you're done. And then, you can just play with it. If you want a little bit higher, if you want a little bit rounder or anything like that. But bam, you are ready for that holiday couch Christmas, okay? Now, I did go ahead and do my edges prior to putting the piece in, but that's your prerogative. Either you want your edges laid or you want your edges chilling. That's up to you. Here's the reveal. This is super simple and literally anybody can do it. Okay, Tamara Renaye. Okay. Now, this is super classy, super easy, super everyday. I mean, it's checking off all the boxes for me. Now, I personally think top knots look best with hoops or some sort of chunky earring. But of course, let's go ahead and get into packing these hair accessories. Stick around because you might want to know what products I use in my hair, what products I liked, what products I didn't like. So let's continue this vlog. Isn't this the biggest bubble wrap you've ever seen? For the purpose of this video, I did keep a couple of them that did not work for me just so that I can show you guys before I discard them. So the first one is the olive oil super control gel for edges. This did not super control anything. You hear me? It curled up before I even left the house. I remember using this. That's why it's pretty much full, because it was pointless using. This is a Instagram business, and I really don't like to throw any business underneath the bus. However, this is actually an Instagram user that boasted so much about the hold on their products. Now, don't get me wrong, this might work for you, but keep in mind, my hair is permed and it still did not last long. It lasted for a little bit, but then that was it. And then lastly is Hicks edges. This one was probably the closest one to actually working, but for some reason I feel like if you don't tie it down for a long time before you actually wear it, it curls up. And to me, if it's a good product, you shouldn't have to be laying your edges and having the head tie on for extended periods of times like that. So this is also going in the trash. Edge controls that I use, which are the only two that I use, is always line your box with bubble wrap.
Sabrina, Christina, Aaliyah, Holly, Molly.
Thanks for tuning in with me today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video to a friend or family member that you think may need a top bun for that couch Christmas party too. Until tomorrow.